Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 17T and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the app that will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. Of course, you can do it using the settings and additional settings, but I prefer to do it using the keyboard. All right, so we've got the keyboard on the screen, which is great. We've got the first step accomplished. So now we need to find the settings. And now let's take a look at this option bar right here. The settings should normally be here. However, sometimes for some reason, the settings are not visible. But no worries, all you need to do is to tap on this four dots icon and find the settings right here. If you want to, you can just access them using this four dots icon, or you can tap on them and hold them and drag them to this first section, so you'll have much faster access to it. So it's, as I said, it's completely up to you. So now let's simply enter the settings, and here we need to tap on languages, which is at the very top. Now tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So basically all you need to do is to find your language and tap on it. So I will pick maybe something which is more graphical, maybe this one, and tap on the region if you can. So here we've got different keyboard layouts, and the number of keyboard layouts depends on the specific language. Sometimes you'll have only one, sometimes you've got up to 10 or 7 different keyboard layouts. So all you need to do is to make sure that the layout that you want to use is marked and tap on done. So as you can see, we've just added the language to the list of currently applied languages. And before I'll show you how to remove the language from this list, I'd like to share with you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So let's go back to the keyboard. Oh my God. All right, we've got it. And here we've got this globe icon. So let's tap on it. Thanks to this language key, we can actually change the language during typing. So now we can type in a different language, and after tapping on the globe icon, we can switch to another keyboard layout. Moreover, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, which is extremely useful, especially if you're using 2 different languages with a really similar keyboards. All right, so in order to remove the language from this list, from the keyboard, just tap on this edit icon, so settings icon, tap on the languages and tap on this pencil icon in the right upper corner. Now mark the language that you want to remove and tap on the trash bin icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, we've got only 1 language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.